welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a day in my life quarantine edition. So that's basically me staying home and doing homework and going to school. So that's basically what I'm doing, and it'll be very kind of boring. It'll be like a little study with me, but not really, because there'll be stuff there. Anyhow, there's some big events that went on in my day. One of them, which was a physics test, and another was I had to get some worksheets done. So I had this very nice salad, and it's so good, and I added so much cheese. It was just delicious. I loved it really a lot. So that was my breakfast. I don't know if you guys eat breakfast in the not in the morning. Do you guys eat salads in the morning? I'm not sure, but that's what I had, and I thought it was good. Besides that, I was also reviewing for my physics test using an online video, which was very helpful. And also, if you see me like putting on signs and stuff like that, it's because it's like this remembering tool for physics. Yeah, that's basically what I was doing. So yeah, I don't do that usually. I don't throw up gang signs in the middle of studying, but that's kind of what I did. And then of course I had my bullet journal to keep track of everything I needed done for every hour of the day. So I had a couple of classes as well besides just doing the test. So yeah, I also joined those classes, and then I did a bit of notes for history, which was very interesting. So I'm gonna stop talking for now, so it would be like the plan with me aspect. As you can see, I worked till all my homework till nighttime, and let me just say it wasn't like a normal thing I do, because I just had a lot of busy stuff, so I didn't do anything. And also I'm very bad at vlogging. Like, I didn't vlog me walking or eating my lunch and dinner, which is something that's very crucial in my life, but I didn't vlog it. I guess it was too important for me. Anyhow, be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Amino and Instagram, and I'll be trying to post every single week. See you next time. Bye.